Okay, so I just have a few questions for you about your outfit.
Okay.
How does it feel?
It's very comfy. Also, when I was putting it on, I was concerned about the stickers because, or what are these called?
Your patches.
Patches. Yeah, I was concerned about the patches. For the most part, they're very well put on. It doesn't seem like it's just gonna rip off, you know? I like it. I like it a lot, honestly. I believe I'm a D. So my biggest problem was I thought it would make my boobs sag, which most of bandeau tops do for girls with bigger set boobs. And it doesn't. It keeps them actually, like, surprisingly,
like, well kept and
yeah,
stuff.
like in place. Like
Balanced.
I can move around and it doesn't slide down.
Okay, so these say
Best buds.
and we are the best of buds.
Obviously, we have been best friends, what, going on 5 years now, I believe.
Yeah, we've been friends for about 5 years now.
And we've been married for 4 of those years, so. Which this is not a biased opinion. I tell her everything straight up with everything that she does, and I give her my fully honest opinion with everything that she does when it comes to makeup, hair, or new ambition with fashion.
Oh yeah,
so.
She is definitely one of my main persons who I absolutely crave their attention for. Like, if she doesn't like it, then apparently I don't either, because she knows what's really good, and I love that about her.
Yeah, I know what I like to receive. We've all gone to stores and received something and it wasn't in the best quality or it could have been better. So for a review, in a way, I always am very critical with her and always try and give her my best opinion on the pros and cons of whatever she did. These necklaces, best buds. So my piece, the lighter, it's a hand with a lighter and, you know, a little piece of Mary Jane. And then her piece is the other part that says
buds, and it literally has the joint, purple heart, Mary Jane. You put them together,
and that's what they look like.
Yeah, now we're going to be talking about the earrings, and we are wearing the Mary Jane high doll earrings.
And they are clear.
As far as material-wise.
They're very cool. I like them a lot. I don't usually wear earrings like this. I usually wear hoops, just regular small hoops. I will take one out to show you guys up close. This is a neon green one. Kind of looks like a highlighter.
I'll flip it upside down too.
However, they are very sharp, so be careful. When bending, you don't want it to stab you because it's not painful, but it does irritate.
So we do have this in a different color as well. It is in the pink, like neon pink.
Yeah, like a pink highlighter. I think they're all kind of highlighter colors,
yes,
I would say.
Colors for sure. There are only 2 colors, just these 2
at the moment. Like I said, I'm her biggest critique. I've always been a very big critique. I always want people to do the best that they can in what they're doing. Nicole is my best friend. However, she knows that I tell her every time if I don't like something or if I think she could have done a better job or if the quality could be better. So this is not a biased opinion in any way. I wouldn't be promoting this shirt or the earrings if I honestly didn't like it, because honestly I wasn't nervous about it, but I was nervous about 1, the quality of what the shirt was gonna be, 2, how well it was gonna fit me, and 3, how well the stamps were gonna be placed and how well they were gonna be intact and durable on the actual shirt. Definitely she did that there. And then with the earrings, of course, like I said, they're gorgeous. I love them. I would wear them anyway just because I like fashion. So now we're going to talk about these 2 different types of necklaces. This one is the daddy necklace. I thought it was super kawaii because I'm also into the Y. I'm so fucking kawaii. It's so kawaii. It's cute, but not too vulgar.
Silver chain. I'll take it out of the package and everything below, but black back, pretty basic, pretty nice. Hangs like a almost sort of a choker, but lower, just dangling.
Yeah, like a tad, like probably like where this hangs, I would say, right?
Definitely great with one of the tops that are on my Depop. There's gonna be a picture up here that shows.
It says pretty bitch, which I don't know if you guys are like me, but I'm a pretty bitch. And I actually like this one more than that one, and that's why I chose this one, because it's more so like a choker. And I'm a pretty bitch. Or, you know, confidence is key.
Definitely, for sure.
So, you think you a pretty bitch, this for you. And I like the gold link. I love gold. The pink lettering, I don't know if you can tell, but there's sparkles inside the pink lettering. And I also like the font that they used for the actual letters.
Now we're going to talk about these free stickers that you could possibly get with every purchase. You do get free stickers, and I have a whole fucking bunch. But we're just going to show you a few of the cutest ones that I love the most. Little Game Boy, you win fucking sticker, dude. Do you not see how fucking cute this is?
So it's Little Thunder. Who does not like thunder, you know?
You know I'm a cosmetologist. I love makeup. My whole page used to be about makeup. We both love makeup. We both are models, so I'm not yours, which kind of goes with the daddy necklace.
It's time to get swifty. Oh. Get Morty. And she asked me, do I love her? That's another story. She ain't know.
I really like your shirt. Where'd you get it from? My best friend actually made it at highdollfashion, which you can find on Instagram, and her Depop.
Rick and Morty, chillin' with a shorty, watching Rick and Morty. Corey, but that's another story. Watching Rick and Morty, chillin' with a shorty, watching Rick and Morty. Shit, watching Rick and Morty, chillin' with a shorty, watching Rick and Morty.